Okay, YouTubers, T-Square here with T-Square Talk, and another exciting day in baseball. The Angels ended up beating the Yankees by 8-3. We did not see that coming, with the Yankees being the #1 team in their division. But let's take a look at who's still in and who has been eliminated. Okay, so if your name has a black mark through it, you have been eliminated. Let's just take a look here real quick. I'll show everybody what we had last time. We had the Angels were the #1s, and the Yankees had #2s. So all the 2s have been eliminated, and the 1s will move on to round 4. So as you can see, once we've crossed out the #2s, we took the #1s, and they'll be going against each other for the next spot. And we renumbered all the numberings from the 1, then the 2, then 1, then 2. So let's take a look at whose names are still in it and who has been eliminated, and we will move on. We are getting down to the last few now. Now on this one, just so everybody knows, there was another name beside it, so I just put move over. This went on to another page where there was not an extra name, so, and we'll see that in a minute where it's at. And you can see right there where it got moved over. Okay, now right here, we went back and forth on this issue a few times on how we would do an odd amount. The first response was we was wanting to kick in an extra name, like bring back one of the dead entries and put here to go against him. But the problem with that was we didn't know if we would have a big uproar if someone that had been knocked out ended up coming back and winning it, which could upset a lot of people. We hadn't even anticipated that could have happened. So what we decided to do was continue the numbering down as it went through. It went 1, 2, 1, 2 the whole way down through the paper. At the very end, this one is a #1, and it ended on #1. So, and the other reason, so if #1 wins, part-time prepper, you'll be moving on to the next round. If a #2 team wins, then you'll be eliminated and all the 2s will move on. Another reason why we decided not to pull out a dead entry was because at the very end, we run the risk of there being 3 teams to move on. Should 3 teams move on, we'd have to pull another dead entry, and then someone, you have an entry coming out, and then we're right back where we started with just a 1 draw, having a shot to win it all. So we kind of like the idea of the kind of slowly dwindling out names each day. It keeps it fun, enjoyable. So that's how we decided to do that. Now, we already saw the Yankees won, so let's take a look at what's playing for games today. So these are all the games that are playing today. Okay. And then I'm going to come over here. I'm just going to start getting everything set up here. Okay, so this is going to start round 4. Today, it'll be one of the games that we have playing today. We'll come back over here. And Let's see here. We already got it on Wednesday the 24th. And then we'll come over here. Now remember, the games go 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way down to 15. So we'll come over here and we will hit random.org. We will generate a 1 to 15 number for the game. So let's see who we got. Number 10. Hopefully it ain't a late game. Let's see here. Where'd it go? So number 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, it's an early game. Padres and the Cubs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep, 10. Padres and the Cubs. So, let me just recheck this real quick. Okay, we did have 10 there. So, Padres and the Cubs. Now we're going to see who's going to get, we'll say the Cubs. So, who will get the Cubs? Get on it. So, the number I generate will be the Cubs team. 2. All the 2s will have the Cubs. So we'll come back over here. And all the 2s are the Cubs. And that means all the 1s will be the Padres. There it is. The Cubs and the Padres. And that game is at 1:20, so it is an early game. And, man, they had some really early games today. They had an AM game even. So, 1:20 in the afternoon. Go and you can check that game out and see where you're at. And we'll see if I can get another video once this comes out. I'm just looking to see real quick if they are playing any double headers today. Nope, just one game. The Cubs and the Padres at 1:20. So let's check it out later. I'll try to get this video uploaded on the winners and the people not moving on by the end of the day, and then we'll set up for tomorrow's game. Y'all have a great one. Hope to see you again on T-Square Talk. Take care, guys. Oh, before I go, real quick, I guess I'll run down through one more time just so everybody knows their numbers again. And there it is. Padres and the Cubs. Number 1s have Padres. Number 2s have Cubs. These are the numbers you guys are looking at, so everybody knows the black numbers. And hope to see you guys again on T-Square Talk. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.